Stand coast tower information, India time 1847, wind 3107, visibility 10, sky condition clear. Temperature 24, dew point 14, altimeter 3006. Expect visual approach runway 30 in use. All live-flight aircraft contact ground control for clearance 10 minutes prior to taxi. Note on some multiple cranes up in St. Carlos Class Delta airspace. Use caution. Taxiway mic is closed between Golf Fingers and Taxiway Lima. Runway 3012 VAC seats are out of service until further notice. Arrive initial contact, you have your information, India.
San Carlos ground 95606 at FlyBayArea parking. Request a taxi to run up 30 to a staying pattern for landings practice with information India.
Cessna 95606, request ground runway 30, run up taxi via Lima.
Taxi via Lima, run up 30, 95606. San Carlos Tower 95606 at run up 30, ready for departure.
Cessna 95606, and Carlos Tower, right close traffic approved, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
Right close traffic approved, runway 30, clear for takeoff, 95606. Lights, camera, and action.
Cool. And just remember, talk me through everything, okay? Alright. Go get him, bro.
So we are cleared for the runway and to take off 30, so we are heading to 30.
Good.
And we have a headwind.
Then I'm just gonna shadow you, I'm not gonna take over, but just, you know, it's my first time going with you, so I just need to make sure, right?
Absolutely.
Final's clear, yeah?
Yes, final's clear.
Cool.
And we have our heading set to 30, hills on the floor, and full power. Gauge is green, airspeed coming alive, 40, 45, 50, and rotate. We are taking 67 for climb VY.
Good. Nice takeoff, good job.
Thank you. Actually, we reached to 500.
Oh, okay, that's what I was gonna say. I was like, this thing climbs terribly for a 300 on crosswind.
Alright, turning for crosswind.
606, runway 30, clear for the option, wind 3507.
Runway 30, clear for the option 95606.
Cessna 95429er, you're following a Cessna turning crosswind to downwind at the diamond-shaped waterway.
We're just looking for traffic, Cessna 49. And then just tell me on each of the turns, just say like, clear cross, turn crosswind clear, or turn downwind clear, so I know that you're looking, right? Okay. We don't just like turn it. Good luck, everybody.
Alright, we're on downwind and parallel to the runway. We do flow check, fuel's on, mixture best power, trim takeoff, landing device on, mags and master on, car beat off and throttle as required.
Good, looks like it's just us, dude.
Yeah.
Perfect.
600,
think we're high or low?
Crest to the runway,
a little bit high.
A little high, right?
Yeah.
Number 2.
My spin is good, but a little bit high, so I'm trying to align myself to the runway. We have a little bit headwind from the right.
What's your aiming point?
Right now the numbers.
Okay.
So my airspeed is good, descent rate is good, a little bit high, so I'm going to reduce the power.
Yep, you roll home, good. Add a little power, you know, constant change, good. Alright, you got this, bro.
So we are crossing the threshold, power to idle, level off.
Set 606, runway 30, text back via Kilo.
Taxi back via Kilo, 95606. That was a little bit, I guess, I didn't flare much.
Yeah, it was a little flat. You landed on all of them at the same time. But I thought your approach was really good. You were a little high, but you corrected, and it was good. You just needed to bleed off that airspeed a little longer. Keep it, hold it. It's not a short field, right? So I thought you were doing pretty good, man. Just try to land on the 2 main landing gears. Keep that nose up and bleed. Okay. Bleed the air, and then when you bleed, you'll sink down.
Set 606, right close traffic approved, runway 30, clear for takeoff, traffic a mile and a half final.
Right close traffic approved, runway 30 clear for takeoff, 95606.
True 2 Tango Foxtrot, appreciate the help, that's my last one.
Alright.
Light action, right? Light
656 Charlie, pre-exchange approved. Dave, we'll talk to you in a bit.
Sounds good. Frequency change approved, 56 Charlie. Verbalize, okay?
Yeah.
Shock to me. What's final clear?
Final clear.
Need to hear that, okay?
Yeah. Alright. Heading 30, runway 30, and hills on the floor, full power. Gauges green. Airspeed coming alive. 40, 45, 50, and rotate. Aiming for 67 for climb. I'm crabbing because I guess...
Tower code to 1995 Whiskey, just off of Hayward, past the Toll Plaza, inbound landing with India.
November 95 Whiskey, San Carlos Tower, enter right downwind midfield at San Carlos, runway 30, runway 30.
Enter right downwind midfield for 30, 95 Whiskey.
Check, fuel on, mixture full reach, carpet off, throttle as required, max and master on. We are good for downwind. So 800 feet, still parallel. Numbers, carbine on.
Not yet, right? Did he clear to land?
No, they didn't.
So let's, I'll list all up. San Carlos Tower, Cessna 95606, passing the numbers.
Set 606, traffic a mile final, runway 30, clear for the option.
Runway 30, clear for the option, looking for that traffic, 95606. Flaps full. I'm a little bit, I guess, dull, so I'm gonna add some power and turn off the carbies. Okay.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile, level.
Here, okay.
For some reason I lost much airspeed in the downwind, so...
Traffic, 12 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile, level.
Alright, we are about to cross the threshold.
San Carlos Tower, experimental 224 Bravo Lima, 30 run, ready for departure.
Sure, 224 Bravo Lima, San Carlos Tower, hold short, runway 30.
Holding short 30, 4 Bravo Lima.
Set 606, set taxi back runway 30 via Kilo.
Taxi via Kilo, runway 30, 95606.
So I think the main thing I need to see from you is just make sure you say finals clear. So when we take off, look right, finals clear,
yeah,
and then go on. And then when you're on base, you said finals clear, but I didn't see your, maybe your eyes look, but you need to look to final, like, and make sure no one's coming in to land, right? Finals clear, turn and final, right?
Yeah. Just not saying it.
Yeah. I gotta hear it. I know you're probably doing it, but you're doing a pretty good traffic pattern. You got high a little bit, but that's fine. You adjusted. You knew you were high.
Set 606, right close traffic approved, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
Right close traffic approved, runway 30 clear for takeoff, 95606. Lights, camera, action.
Okay.
Alright, final is clear.
Good.
Heading 30, hills on the floor, full power. Gauge is green, airspeed coming alive, maintaining center line, 40, 45, 50, rotates.
And if you pass the numbers and he hasn't told you anything...
Set 606, runway 30, clear for the option.
Runway 30 clear for the option, 95606. Aim points, 65, airspeed.
Tower, base flight 16, Delta 1000,
A little bit high,
bound for
reduce power.
information, India.
Reduce power. Aim for 60. Line to the
Inbound Coyote Hills, numbers again please.
Base flight
reduce power.
Main flight 16, enter right base, runway 30.
enter right base, runway 30, base flight 16.
About to cross the thresholds. Power to idle, level off.
San Carlos Tower, Cessna 290, Tango Whiskey, and 30,
Set 290, Tango Whiskey, San Carlos Tower, hold short, runway 30.
Hold short, runway 30, 290, Tango Whiskey. Taxi back to park. In.
Set 606, make the next left, taxi back runway 30 via Kilo.
Right Charlie, back to parking.
Set 606, taxi to parking. Have a great day.
Thank you, 956.